So today we're going to see what is the use of object, and after that we'll see what are the different types of operators, right? So we have seen on that day unary operator, and now let's see what is the use of object, why we create object. Day 5, object. So the question comes in your mind, why there is need to create the object. Simple answer is that access the data member value, okay, as well as to access what the method or the value which is present in the method. Value present in the method. Okay, this is the need of object. What is the syntax of object now? Simple. If you write in syntax, your mics, how it is, how it goes. See,
Class name,
class name, yes.
object name,
Object name
equal to new class name.
equal to
New class name,
new class name, and after that open and close.
bracket.
After that, how if you want to access it, how we are accessing
सर ऑब्जेक्ट क्रिएट करताना सेमीकोलन नसतं का?
yes, it has been there, sorry. Okay, object name dot
Method.
directly method. Okay, and system dot out dot print then into bracket object dot variable. Okay, so this is an syntax of creating an object. So the simple, we'll do an practical thing. I'm entering into an core Java ESRC variables. After that, in basics of Java only, I'll create one code for an object. Okay, so how to create an program? Click right, click the new, then class comes, and simple object creation, public static void main, and then finish. Right. After this, what's the class name over here?
Object creation.
Class name is creation. Thereafter that, number 5, let's say I'm using a data type integer to which I'm assigning, to which I'm taking an variable a, to which I'm assigning an value 34. Okay. So the value which I've assigned to the variable a is 34. Now I'm taking a data type string. So what is the use of string? Let's say I'm taking a name of Sonali. Then string I have taken, right? What I have taken? String I have taken, right?
Yes.
Clear? So how it has been written?
Double inverted.
For a time being, take only. Okay.
म्हणजे डबल इन्व्हर्टर मध्ये तेव्हाच घेता येईल ना सर, जेव्हा स्ट्रिंग
जेव्हा एस आउट मध्ये जेव्हा तुम्हाला प्रिंट करायचं तेव्हा.
आणि स्ट्रिंग आणि यस किंवा इज इक्वल टू जेव्हा यूज करू तेव्हा, म्हणजे डिक्लेअर करताना जर स्ट्रिंग यस इज इक्वल टू घेतलं तर डबल
म्हणजे
इन्व्हर्टर.
तेव्हा असं होईल. ऍज पर स्ट्रिंग यस इज इक्वल टू घेतलं,
हा
मग हे असं, राईट.
हो सर.
In this way, this is a format. So here what we have been done, here
इंटिजर व्हॅल्यू.
we have used data type integer. Okay, a is variable which value assign. Okay, next to that, what? String. Yes, string is your data type. String ka? It is data type. Yes is your variable, and Sonali value which is assigned. This is your main function. You know that what is the use of public? It is an access specifier. What is static? If we are using static, no need to create an object. Okay, or it is a keyword. Void is a return type, and main is a method, or main is a function, and string args is a command line argument. Now coming back to our main program.
सर ए आणि एस इथं दोन्ही इन्स्टन्स व्हेरिएबल झाले ना ते.
Instance, these both are instance variable. Now we'll create a method. I'm creating a method void simple play method. Is your method done setting over here. Now what I'm trying to do, simply what would I do? Simply I would take float equals to 2.1 f semicolon. Okay.
Sir, after the float, we have to use a variable.
Yeah, I missed it. That's what I'm correcting from myself. Okay. Then sys o printing variable b. Here we have used data type float B is your variable and 2.1 value is okay. So next to that is what your public static void main. Now, if I want to, now let's see, I'm running the code. What it will show? Definitely it will throw an error or it would not display anything to me. Is it displaying anything to me
No, sir.
right now?
No.
Not giving any output to me, right? Let's say now we'll create an object. So what is the syntax of object? Control C, Control V. I am using multi-line command. How to use multi-line command? See
Slash
this
star.
dash
Star.
star
Slash.
star slash. Okay. So for if you want to take only single line, you will be using this simple two slashes. Okay. For making that comment, making that line to get committed. Okay. And if you are removing, if you want to get multi-line comment, then you are using stars slash star and slash star. So here it is in syntax in front of you guys of how to create an object. Now let's say now what is the class name over here?
Object creation.
No, what is the class name? Object creation.
Object creation.
Object creation is a class name, right? Open that where paste. Now object, let's say obj object is created. Okay. Equal to new. What is the syntax? Class name object name is equal to new, then class name, then opening and closing bracket, and then semicolon, right? So here we have created an object. Okay, yes or no?
Yes.
Now I want to display the value 2.1, that it is of an method. This is a method, right? This is a method we have used, right? Method name is what? Like this, right? So now coming back to the point, object dot object dot what?
Method name.
Method name. What's the method name?
Display.
Display is a method name, right? Open, close, then semicolon. Now let's try to run it the code now. So see, it is showing the value 2.1. Now let's say if I want to use the value of, if I want to display the name of Sonali, what I can do now?
Then we can use system.out.println. Then
Exactly. What will use? Yes, shortcut O, control plus space button. Okay, here
object dot variable name.
object. What's the object name?
Object obj
obj dot
variable name.
variable. What you want to display?
String
If you want to
means
display
yes.
string Sonali,
Yes.
that would be here. And if I'm copying this line, one second. I'm copying this, control. and I'm committing. See, I'm committing this line for a time being. See, here we are getting which output? Here we are getting, with the help of this line, we are getting an output 2.1. Here we are getting an output of what? Null. And here, let's say I'm removing yes and putting it
A.
A, getting it back a bit. Okay. So now what output should I get now?
34.
Sonali 34. Then 2.1 Sonali and 34. So this is what the code which has given us an output, right? Clear, everybody?
Yes.
Yes.
Now, anyone is having any type of doubt, please let me know. Everybody, I think so, has completed this code. I will let you put this code into an chat box. Okay. So who will run this code right now?
हॅलो सर.
Yes, Sonali.
सर म्हणजे आता आपण इन्स्टन्स व्हेरिएबल पण घेतलं आणि लोकल व्हेरिएबल पण घेतलं आणि त्याचं आउटपुट बघितलं. याच्यामध्ये जर स्टॅटिक व्हेरिएबल पण एखादं घेऊन प्रिंट करतात.
We can do that problem. So let's say I'm using static variable. So what is the syntax of static variable? Let's see. Syntax. Let's say I'm declaring static variable. A. Sorry, static variable. Static data type variable name and semicolon. That, let's say if we have static method, we are declaring static void, let's say static index of static method. Now directly in code, we'll take an example of static variable. Let's say k, I'm declaring equal to k equal to 76 semicolon. So here we have declared that static variable. Okay. So simply we have declared what static variable. Now, let's say we have declared a static variable. So what I'm trying to do, for a time being, again, I'm committing this object. Okay. So directly what I'm doing, I'm taking one yes out statement over here. System.out.println. Okay. So see here, I didn't want it. That's not working. Okay. So let's say for a time being, I'm committing this line. Till here. Line number 22. So what I've done, I committed from line number 16 to line number 22. Right. So I want to access this static variable and the value of it. What I want to do now? I want to access what, guys?
Static variable.
Static variable and its value. Now, do I need to create an object for this?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Directly we can use key.
Okay. So again, I'm writing. We need not have to create the object for static variable. That's it. Now coming back over here, just what's our class name? Directly we can access with the help of class
Object
name. Object creation is our class name, right? Copying that, coming a bit down, and I'm pasting over here. Creation dot. Now what? I'm using K directly. Had I created an object over here?
No.
Now let's try to run it. What output will get only? We'll get only which output? 76. You all got it? Now let's say, so this is what static variable we have access the value. Let's say simple run. Now I'm removing the comment. I'm putting where to put and comment now. Up to which line we have to put and comment. Yes, guys, let me know. Before line number 9, from line number 19, we have written actual code, and before that, it wasn't just syntax. Clear? Now, what will be the output of this, guys? Simple. What we have been taken from the starting, that would be an output. Let's say 2.1, Sonali 34 and 76. It will give you the 4 output. Right. Got it? Clear,
Yes.
everybody?
Yes.
Yes.
So do you understand what is the use of static variable? What is use of non-static variable? Okay. Got it, all of you? Should I send you this code once again, all of you? Now I'm putting it into the chat box. Who will do this code for me now?
Same code, na sir.
Yeah.
Can I share?
Just a second. See, now what I have made the change to a method also I have made static. So did I needed to create an object for this? See, before that I have created an object control that I'm doing. Okay. So, and I have given this method as a static, right? So what it is been showing? It is showing a bit of error at line number 20. As the method is static, no need to create an object. Directly we can call an method. You can check it. Now I'm running it. It's giving an output 2.1, Sonali 34 and 76. Got it? So I'm stopping my screen sharing, and I think so. Yeah, Sonali, share your screen. Yeah, do the code from the starting.
Yes.
String variable, Sonali. Can you make it a bit large, Sonali, your screen?
Yes, sir.
Take another name.
Okay.
Method you have been taking, right?
Yes.
You're taken static variable as well, right?
Yes, sir.
Now start the body of method and put something there into an method. Make a bit larger, control plus plus.
Yes.
Yeah,
Uh,
that's okay. A bit small, a bit small, just small. Yeah, now it's okay. Now it's okay.
okay, sir. येतच नाही ते.
Now in main function,
What is that? Class variables.
so do one thing. Do one thing. Wait. Change the name of this. Change the name of this code. Go right click to variables. How to change the name of program? Right
Yes,
click to that
refactor. Yes.
and rename the code. Give the name as an objects. How to do renaming? Right click to the class name, go to refactor and rename the class. Instead of variable, give objects name only. Object example or object. Give a name object example. Underscore. Okay. See, we have changed the name. Now change the name as below also. I will ask randomly to anybody now this code to share your screen and let me know.
dot
Object dot, then what you want to
Mm.
access?
First method value float.
Okay, then object dot display.
Yes.
Then
Sorry.
next. Object dot.
आता instance variable घेते ना आता.
Exactly. Take it.
Yes.
Save the code. So make a good practice, right? After writing in every line, please save the code.
Yes, sir.
आपण पुढचे दोटा बघा.
So done. Check the output. Right. I think so. All other also have been done with this code. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
सर
So is
आपण
हा.
आपण इथं म्हणजे मेथड मध्ये पण सिस्टीम डॉट आउट घेतले म्हणून ते पहिल्यांदा हे घेतलं. आपण इथं आउट न करता डायरेक्ट जर आपण मेन मध्ये जरी हे स्टेटमेंट घेतलं तरी होते ना?
होते, पण the problem is that let's say we have taken this year. Do that. Why should we speak? Do that. Commit line number 11. Okay. Now try to run it.
ऑब्जेक्ट क्रिएट केल्यानंतर की अगोदरच करू सर?
हा, रन कर आता. बघ ना what error is been coming. We have to see it, right?
Yes, sir.
Save it and run it. Take this console screen a bit upside. What it is showing?
Yeah, it shows only instance variable value and static variable value. It not show the local variable value.
Why? Because that variable is limited only for that particular method. Right?
Yes.
Got it? You got
Yes,
your
sir.
answer?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. So that scope of that particular variable is only in between line number 9 to line number 12. That's why it is not showing, as we are also accessing the display method, but then also it's not showing. So the main thing is that if there is anything between the method, if you want to display it, you have to write an output statement over there only, and then you can simply access the method and you will get the result whatever that has been there in the method. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Clear your confusion?
Yes, yes.
Uncomment at line number 11. Yeah, now you could see the change. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Anybody is having any type of question over here? Take that console option. See, showing 4.2, that value.
Yes, sir.
Anyone is having any error? Kiran, Amardeep, Mega, Priyanka, Rahul, Sandeep, Urmila, everyone, Sudhir.
No, sir.
No. So yes, anybody? So we are ending this session. What we have been learned today: how to create an object, how to access static variable, how to access non-static variable, okay, and how to access the method. Okay, and do one thing again, make it one change, take a bit upside and make that method as in static. Line number 8, make that method as in static. Okay, so now this method is static. Do we need to create an object? Is the object required now?
No, sir.
So remove that object. Okay, save it. Okay, and you can run it now. Got it? So you are getting the output. So if you are raising static method or static variable, no need to create an object. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we are stopping it, and tomorrow freshly we'll see the second operator, that is arithmetic operator. So we have seen unary operator on day before yesterday, and on the 6th lecture we'll see that. Okay, so thank you